In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must select either some text, an image, object, whatever you want to drop shadow, and then you want to click on the layer here and select it, and then you want to click on this FX button, which will open up the layer effects, and then in here, you want to go to where it says outer shadow. So click on here and make sure you actually do a check mark so it's actually enabled, and for this tutorial, I'm just going to change the color to something else so we can actually see the drop shadow. There we go, let's do orange. And then up here, what I would recommend, of course, it's up to you which blend mode you use, but if you do normal, it's going to look kind of normal in my opinion, but of course you can play with the other ones as well in case you prefer them. Here you will also have to set your opacity. I'm going to keep this at 50, and then the radius as well. So right now nothing is happening, you'll be able to see it soon. And then you want to do the offset as well as the intensity. And when you combine all of this, as you can see here, it's already forming a drop shadow. You can also change the angle, so I'm going to move it at 225 here, and I'm actually going to intensify this a bit more. I'm going to give it a bit more of an offset and then a bit more of a radius like this. And yeah, let's say that's cool, okay? And this is kind of a drop shadow, as you can see. Of course, it's up to you however you make it. You can then change the color. You can do like a grayish color and make it look a bit better. So completely up to you. Whenever you're done, just click on the close button and then you're basically done. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.